first.
Here we go, Everett. Here's your 13-inch closet and Colchester lathe. It has the Rome 3-jaw chuck on it with reversing top jaws. We mounted an Aloris BXA tool post on it. There's a insert turn face holder that uses triangular positive inserts. Here's the readout. It's working real good. We've got a Jacobs 1/2-inch capacity ball bearing super chuck in the tailstock. There's the holders for the tool post. I have a couple of slotted, cut off, Morse taper, more slotted. Got your chuck keys, a South Bend 6-inch 4-jaw chuck. There's your spindle adapter. It's got a chip in the back, but that's not in an area with a taper or anything. That's just where the drawbar fits in, the drawbar. There's a set of mixed 5C collets by 30 seconds. I'm only missing 2 sizes. It could use a little cleaning, but otherwise good. Wired low voltage 3-phase. We got it on 800 RPM right now. Crossfeed, carriage feed, let's see, we can run it up to, that's 800, we can go to, maybe it was 1200, that was 1200, there's 1700. Or we can drop right down to 58. But since it's not an Atlas, you may as well run in high speed. So here we'll put it in, let's see, we'll put it in 1200 RPM. Let's try taking a good cut here. Let's go. Show them on the readout there. We'll take 100,000 steps to cut. Running at 1200 RPM. No coolant. We'll let some chips fly. Machine doesn't even bog slightly. Yeah. Throw a good chip, peels it right off. You can't quite see in the picture, but it's got good surface finish to it. You run coolant, it'll be even better. And there's taper attachment. So we'll just get it crated up later today and it'll be on the way to you.